Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. Today I am going to discuss with you some problems from calculus and trigonometry. First of all, here our first problem is a function f is defined by this if such that x tends to 3 minus 2 10 half of x for x is greater than or equal to 0 and less than equal to 5. We have to state the range of f and then state the exact value of this, and also sketch the graph of y equal to f of x and obtain an expression in terms of x for f inverse x. So here if we see what will be the range of this function, if we see the function given here, f of x is equal to 3 minus 2, f of x is equal to 3 minus 2 10 half x. For the maximum value of this part, the value of f will be minus infinity. Suppose this part of the value of this part is infinity, right? So 3 minus infinity will be minus infinity. That's why range is minus infinity to 3. Why 3? Because for the minimum value, if this part becomes 0, then value of f will be a 3 minus 0, which is 3. So that's why range is minus infinity to 3. Then we have to state the exact value of this function at this point. So at this point, the value of f is 3 minus 2 10 half times 2 pi by 3. Then 3 minus 2 10 pi by 3, which is, then we got 3 minus 2 root over 3. Now the third, we have to sketch the graph of this function. How we can sketch this? We know for the minimum value, for minimum for the value of x, the maximum value of f will be 3, right? And minimum value will be minus infinity, and for f equal to at this point the value will be 0. So that our graph, that's how we get a graph like this. Okay, now we were given another part in our question. We have to obtain an expression in terms of x for f inverse x. That means we have to find the inverse of the given function. So our given function is f of x equal to 3 minus 2 10 half of x. We can assume that y equal to, let y equal to f of x. Then we get y equal to 3 minus 2 10 x by 2. From here we get 2 10 x by 2 is equal to 3 minus y. From here we get 10 x by 2 is equal to 3 minus y by 2. From there we get x equal to 2 10 inverse x by, that means 10 x by 2 is equal to 10 inverse 3 minus y by 2. X equal to 2 10 inverse 3 minus y by 2. F of f inverse y is equal to 2 10 inverse 3 minus y by 2, which then we get our inverse function. This is our inverse function. Now going for the second problem. Here our second problem, which I select a problem from trigonometry. First we have to show that sin theta by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta by cos square theta. And then we have to solve the equation sin theta by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 3 for this range. Left hand side is this, we are given this left hand side. Then if we add these two expression, our first we have to find the denominator. Our denominator will be, if we get the LCM of these two expressions, sin theta plus cos theta sin theta minus cos theta, we get these two expression in multiplication from sin theta plus cos theta times sin theta minus cos theta. then we get in the numerator sin square theta plus cos square theta, where we get 1 by sin square theta minus cos square theta, which is our right hand side. Okay, now second part. In the second part, sin theta divided by sin theta plus cos theta divided by sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 3. If we add these two expression, we get 1 by sin square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 3. 3 times sin square theta minus cos square theta equal to 1. We get 3 minus 6 cos square theta is equal to 1. Cos square theta 1 by 3, cos theta equal to plus minus root over 1 by 3. If cos theta equal to 1 by 3, then we got theta is equal to 54.73. and if cos theta, as cos is positive in the first and fourth quadrant, and the second solution is 360 minus 54.73, which is 305.26. So for when cos theta is positive, cos is positive, then we get the value of theta, these two values for theta. And if cos theta negative, then we get cos theta equal to 125.26. and as cos is negative in the second and third quadrant, we get our graph like this. Using the symmetry of the sketch, we get a graph like this. The second solution is to 34.73. so our values of theta are these values, is our answer. Now next problem. Here is a problem from series. Given that x square plus 1 by x to the power 4 minus x square minus 1 by x to the power 4 is equal to p times x to the power 5 plus q by x, we have to find the value of p and the value of q, and then without using a calculator we have to find the exact value of this expression. We know this formula, right? N r then n factorial divided by r factorial times n minus r factorial, and a plus b to the power n, which is this formula, right? And now we can use this formula to expand this expression, x square plus 1 by x 4, then we get 1. How we get 1? 4 and 0, then we will get the value 1. 4 by 0, that means 4c0, right, which is 1. So that's why how we get 1 here, 4c0, right? 4 by 0, 4c0, 1. And similarly for c2 we get a 4 and here 6, and then again 4, 1. So we get the expression x to the power 8 plus 4x to the power 5 plus 6 square plus 4 by x plus 1 by x to the power 4. Similarly x square minus 1 by x to the power 4, we get x to the power 8 minus 4x to the power 5 plus 6 square minus 4 by x plus 1 by x to the power 4. And if we subtract this expression from this, we get 8x to the power 5 plus 8 by x, which is px to the power 5 plus q by x, which is p is equal to 8, q equal to 8, right? Now in the second question we are given that we have to find without using a calculator, we have to find the exact value of this expression, right? Now see how can we do this. Substituting x square is equal to 2, and we get x equal to plus minus root over 2. Then rejecting minus 2, we get x equal to root over 2. Then we get from our if we substitute x to the power root over 2 in this equation, we will substitute x by root over 2 here, then we get our required value of the expression. Then we get 8x to the power 5, 8 by x, which becomes 8 root over 2 to the power 5 plus 8 by root 2. Okay, so after calculating this, we get 36 times root 2. Okay, I hope you understand this. Again I say that we have to substitute the value of x by root over 2. Okay, then we get this, Here we have to substitute 8 root 2 root 2 root to the power 5 plus 8 by root 2, which is 36 root over 2. Now last question. A sector of a circle radius r centimeter has a perimeter of 6 centimeter. We have to show that the area of a square centimeter of the sector is given by a is equal to 30 r minus r square. We have to express this in the form of a minus r minus b whole square, where a and b are constants given that r can vary. Find the value of r at which a is maximum. Find this stationary value of a. Now we are given the perimeter for part A is 60 centimeter, right? Using the arc length formula, which is equal to r theta, and perimeter of the sector is r theta plus 2 twice r. How it becomes the perimeter? Because if we consider the sector, the perimeter for this part, the perimeter will be r plus r theta, which is 2r plus theta, 2 plus r theta. Okay, for this sector we find the perimeter. Okay, not for whole circle, on the only a sector from the circle. Okay, that's why we get the 2r plus r theta, and 2r plus r theta is equal to 60 according to the question, and then we get the value of theta is 60 by r divided minus 2, and then area of a sector will be half r square theta, which is half r square times 60 minus twice r by r, and our area of the sector is 30 r minus r square. Okay, now part B. In part B we have to in part B we were we have to express in the form of, in this form we have to express this expression 30r minus r square minus r square. 30r minus r square we can take minus, and we put the this in the bracket, we get r square minus 30r. Now we can substitute the value of r by r minus 15, then we get r minus 15 whole square. Okay, basically if we can convert this r square minus 30r into this. Okay, r minus 15, if we calculate this, if we break this, then again we get this out of this formula. So we just write, if you see r minus 15 whole square minus 15 is that, which means r square minus 215 r plus 15 square minus 15 square. We can cancel this, then again we get r square minus 30r. Thus we write this expression from this. Okay, now minus bracket r minus 15 whole square minus 2 to 5, then we get 2 to 5 minus r minus 15 whole square. This is our part B. Now C. In C part, our question is we have to find the value of r at which a is maximum. Okay, so a is a maximum when r is equal to 5. Since we need to subtract the maximum value of r minus 15 whole square from 2 to 225, this maximum value is 0. And if a is 225, when a is 0, and when a is 225, then we get r is equal to 15. For r equal to 15, a is 225. This is our part D. Find the stationary value of a. So this is our stationary value. Okay, now okay, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoy my lecture. Please suggest me from which part or which problems I can discuss with you from any branch of mathematics. I hope it will help you to get the concept, and it will make my lectures will make if my lectures will make the math a little easy for you, it will be my pleasure. Please subscribe my channel, and thank you everyone.